My name's Michael Crowe and I'm Head of Medical Engineering and Equipment Services here at QE Facilities. Our team manage over 20,000 medical devices across the organisation. I've been working in medical engineering since 2004 when I started as an apprentice leaving school. So yes, we're nearly 20 years now working in medical engineering. So we've worked with Medstrom for around 10 years now, and I think over that time we've really developed a good working relationship with the team. As an NHS organisation, we've got trust in Medstrom that they'll deliver the services that we expect them to provide. We've got an awful lot of beds that we're responsible for managing, and Medstrom make the overall management of our fleet of patient beds a lot easier for us. I think our fleet of patient beds have been really well maintained by Medstrom. They're not brand new beds anymore, but they're looking, they're in very good condition. Obviously, it's important that they get well maintained so that will maximise the lifespan of the equipment. Yeah, I think the working relationship that we've got with Medstrom is very collaborative. Medstrom are quite responsive to our needs. We've both got the same end goal in ensuring that the fleet of beds are managed effectively to support safe and effective patient care. We've had a good experience working with Medstrom over the last 10 years.